Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm wearing a wig. I'm wearing a lace front wig. This is a 13 by 6 lace front. This is Brazilian curly. So far I'm definitely feeling this wig. It looks pretty. I don't know if it's me or not, but the knots didn't really bleach that well. So I did go in with like heavy powdering because the knots didn't bleach. However, I think I didn't leave it on long enough. I was kind of in a rush with bleaching this, so it might again be my fault. But the lace is very nice on the hair. The lace actually melted in pretty nice, and the hair plucked very nice as well. You guys will watch the tutorial and see everything. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and begin by cutting off my ear tabs. I always cut my ear tabs off first before I do anything. I'm sorry y'all, I was listening to music and rapping. Y'all, you see the ear pods. I had to take them out because if I didn't, we would have never finished this video. I promise. This music was riding. So now that I've cut off the ear tabs, I'm gonna go ahead and begin to cut off the lace with a razor. I just also wanted to let you guys know that the knots didn't really bleach that well, so you probably can't really see them from here, but they did not really bleach that well, so they will be showing. But I'm going to show you guys how to kind of tuck it and hide it a bit. So now that I've got it shaped on my head, I'm going to be going in with my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm going to be doing about 2 layers of this glue. And I'm also going to be applying the glue in the first middle part of my head, and then I'm going to move on to the left and right side. Now that the second coat's been dried, the lace was actually pretty good on this wig, which is kind of confusing because the knots didn't bleach that well, but the lace melted very well and gave me a very natural look. So I'm going ahead and pushing that in with my fingers, just making sure everything is fully melted. And now I'm going to begin to do the left and right of my corners. So now that I've finally let the glue dry, I'm just going ahead and putting that piece down, and I'm also putting up any little pieces that is not glued down. I'm going ahead and gluing those down. You guys want to make sure that the full perimeter of your lace is fully glued down. Alright y'all, so the wig I did already pluck it, but I'm going in. I didn't pluck it too much because I wanted to show you guys on camera how I fully pluck it. So I did lightly pluck it, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I basically do. So I'm just showing y'all how I'm parting right now. Once I part, I'm going to pull the hairs back and I'm going to begin plucking, and basically I'm just thinning out the hairs. As you guys can see, at first it was full and now it's getting thinner, and I'm also going in on the opposite side, and I'm going in on that side and just plucking with my tweezers, and I'm going around that baby hair as well. And as you guys can see, I'm just plucking because this hair was full. Now I'm just going to be taking a razor and I am cutting my baby hairs. I find it the best way to do my baby hairs is with razors. I don't like the scissor look. The razor look has always been my thing. And as you guys can see, I'm just swooping it with my fingers. And the gel that I'm using is the She's Balm Collection Balm Goo. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue this. I am doing my baby hairs a bit different today. I seen a way that Eric and Tay had did it on one of his hair models, so I decided to go ahead and try that method out. And it's basically like having baby hairs. If you notice, a lot of babies have these actual baby hairs. So these are like, I'm gonna call these like the baby hairs,
because it's kind of like a little swoop bang type of thing. I don't know. I tried it out just to see how it would be, but to be honest, y'all, I'm not really a fan of it. I'd rather just do my regular baby hairs. These baby hairs weren't for me. But comment down below and let me know what you guys think about them, if they were for you, if you were feeling them or not. So now that I finished that side, I'm going over to the other side and I'm just plucking inside before I even pull out the baby hairs. And now that I've pulled out the baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and pluck that side. I like to make sure that you pluck that side as well so that it's not too full for when you do swoop your baby hairs. You know, like it's not just swooped into a bunch of hair. It'll swoop in and look like more of a scalp illusion. Now that I'm finished with my baby hairs, I just like to go in with some oil sheen just to give the baby hairs a little luster or whatnot. I'm now going to go ahead in with my hot comb. So this hot comb is not my regular plug-in one. My plug-in one did break the last time I was filming. So I did use the one where I have to put it on the stove. But I don't have an actual stove, so I'm putting it on a cooking stove. And it's just basically not staying as hot as I need it to. So it's not really doing much. Neither is it making the hair flat as I'd really like it. Y'all know when I do my hair, I like my hair to be flat. So being that the knots didn't bleach, I'm just going in with some makeup powder and I'm just tapping that between the lace and my baby hairs, and this is kind of muting the knots a bit. So now that I've finished doing that, I'm just going ahead and combing out the hairs with my fingers, and I'm going in with my Lotta Body leave-in conditioner. I actually have the name of this link down below so you guys can use it. This is like my new thing. I love this spray for curly hair. I love it way more than Noodle Head because it smells better. It makes the hair feel softer and it's not heavy on the hair.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look for the tutorial. I did my baby hairs a kind of different way. I've seen a lot of stylists like Arrogant Tay likes to do them kind of this way, so I kind of tried to like mimic something of his and basically see how that would look. So this is kind of what I came up with. And as for the hair, I didn't wet it because I really like I like how the curl is puffy. So I put some it came in my mouth. I put some this is like my favorite bottle, spray bottle for curly hair now. It's by Lotta Body and it's with coconut and shea oils, and it's called Fortify Me Straining Leave-In Conditioner, and it smells so good because it has like shea oil in it. It has shea oil and it has coconut oil. It smells so good and it's so pretty on the hair, so that's really like my go-to. And it just gives the hair like a nice look. It defines the curls and it also like detangles them. So like right about now I could probably run my comb through it. Let's see. Yeah, I can. So it basically defines the curls or whatnot. Hold on, y'all. I really didn't want to have, I was trying to do a no part look, but right here looks weird. Mainly because I don't have my flat iron. I mean, not my flat iron. I don't have my hot comb. The hot comb that I was using is really hard to use because I'm actually running to the stove and then grabbing it, so it's hard to use versus having the plug-in one. So I have to probably go to my shop and basically define this part how I want it to, but for now I'm just wetting it up and I'm gonna put some freeze spray, hopefully hold it in position, and I'm just like laying it down like that. It's probably gonna poof back up. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.